Our DNA is made up of over 3 billion components, called nucleotides. You can think of nucleotides as your genetic code. The specific order or sequence of this code contains the instructions for making amino acids, which in turn come together to make proteins, the building blocks of all life. Humans are very diverse. In a room full of people, no two are alike. However, 99.9% of our DNA is the same across all individuals. So this small difference in DNA is responsible for much of the diversity between individuals. Differences in DNA are called mutations. The smallest mutation is a change in a single nucleotide. This is referred to as a single nucleotide polymorphism, or SNP for short. In complex traits or disease, multiple SNPs act in combination to produce the resulting feature. For example, a handful of mutations in combination come together to determine your eye color. We can study how these small changes in DNA can influence your risk of developing diseases such as diabetes, obesity, or osteoporosis. What's more, we can map in the DNA the precise location of a mutation and then study how biologically this mutation influences the disease. This is a really powerful tool to gain understanding into the mechanisms behind disease, because with more mechanistic insight, we can develop more effective treatments for disease. At FIDELIO, my work looks to use information about how changes in our DNA affect bone fragility in type 2 diabetes. This video was made for the FIDELIO Consortium. FIDELIO is a European research network consisting of 14 early-stage researchers all across Europe. The research network combines the expertise of all these researchers to further the understanding of bone fragility in type 2 diabetes. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more information.